Hey guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101. We have a different video today. I know we usually look at the inside of houses, but today we're going to look at just the houses themselves, actually a couple. I want to show you what the median house cost in Oklahoma is. It's around $236,000 and what you get in Oklahoma for that range. So grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and let's get started. Okay, so the first house that we're going to take a look at is the one that's coming up. 239,000, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,800 square feet for your typical home. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so here is house number one. So it is located off of I-240, which is a major highway on the south side of Oklahoma City, and this is in a pretty desirable neighborhood. This house was built in 2006, so it is definitely on the newer side. And as you see, of course, it's a house. So if you move in, you will definitely have to put your own spin, your own touch on it, but it is definitely more than move-in ready. Beautiful fireplace. Now, this is what you get for the average house cost in Oklahoma. But as you see, it's a very nice home. Now, it is a little plain, so you may have to put your own pizzazz and jazz it up just a bit. But I think it's pretty beautiful. 1,800 square feet. It's laid out very nicely, so you don't feel crammed, even if you have a family. It's in a desirable location. It's not right close to, but it's really close to Tinker Air Force Base, which is an Air Force base here in Oklahoma City, and it's a pretty major one. So let me know what you thought this house. Is this something that you think is worth $239,000 for? Is this something that you can get in your area for around that same price point? Or do you think that our house prices here are pretty low? As you see, it has a double sink. In the primary bathroom, you have a tub and a shower, a standalone shower that is not a combo. And of course, you have this really beautiful walk-in closet. Could be his and hers, or hers and hers, and his, or just hers, and kick your significant other to another closet. So, like I said, beautiful countertops, a beautiful house, but let me know what you all think about this as compared to the houses in your area, your community. Also, like I said, this is 1,800 square feet. How do you all land on that? Is that like big to you all? Is it average? Is it small? As you see, it has a beautiful yard. Now, this yard is pretty small by Oklahoma standards. Honestly, we have a lot of space here, so a lot of people have bigger yards, but I have noticed that it's the older homes that you get a lot of yard with. A lot of the newer homes, they're just kind of putting up so close that you're not getting that space. My parents' home, the home I grew up in, is on about 2.5 acres. And it's still in a neighborhood, right? So it's still a neighborhood, but everybody is sitting on acreage. And that's kind of what I'm used to. I like a lot of space, but let me know what you all think about this. Now let's move on to house number two. I just had a phone conversation with a friend who is in LA, and she and her husband just purchased a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home for $600,000. So I wanted to show you what $600,000 gets you in Oklahoma. As you can see, this is a beautiful historic home. $625,000. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with over 3,000 square feet. Okay, this home was built in 1915. It's one of our historic areas that was really nice when it was built. Then it kind of went down, but here lately, within the last 10 years or so, these areas are just thriving and reviving due to a lot of gentrification going on in the Oklahoma City metro area. So I wanted to show you exactly what $600,000 gets you in Oklahoma. And surprise, it gets you quite a bit. I'm showing you this beautiful open concept home. Now, I love the wood here, and I also love these absolutely beautiful staircase and the beams that you will see strategically placed throughout the house. They are absolutely gorgeous to me. I wanted to show you another image of those beautiful beams. This really makes the house, and this is something that is easy to find in a lot of older homes that have a lot of character, but a little bit harder in newer homes. So one thing I wonder if you noticed, did you notice there's no entryway? The room opens directly up to the living room. Just another example of the age of the home that you purchase is going to have a lot to do with a lot of the features that you may see. This is the kitchen area, tons of storage and cabinets, and I wanted to show you this beautiful backsplash as well. I really wish there was a picture of what the house looked like before renovations, because when I said they came in and gutted everything and just almost created a whole new house, they even did new framing. So you're getting a historical home, but it also is a very new home. The room I really wanted to show you is this beautiful guest bathroom. Look at that countertop marble. Look at the beautiful gold hardware, and this tile in the shower is everything. You can just tell they didn't skip on luxury, they didn't skip on quality pieces in here. You have several bedrooms to choose from, 5 to be exact. And let's have a little debate. My friend and her husband said that they actually passed on a home because it had barn doors. Are you all barn doors people or no? I know some people detest them, but they can be a great way to save space in an otherwise cluttered situation, or a situation that you don't have room for a traditional door. You will see the theme with the gold hardware continues in all of the bathrooms and the kitchen. A beautiful walk-in closet, his, hers, his, you and the dogs, whoever. And then the primary bathroom has that same beautiful green vanity with the gold hardware and beautiful tile. This is the laundry room that's going to open to the back door. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, one other thing you did not see in this home, you didn't see a garage. I actually drove to this neighborhood so I can get a good look at it, and it looks like none of the homes really had garages. You'll see a lot of carports in the front, but you may see a garage if a homeowner has purchased this and decided to build it. But other than that, a very beautiful home. What do you think? Would you pay $625,000 for this home? Is this over market in your area? Is this way cheaper than a house would go for in your area? Let me know down below. That's it for today. Let me know what you thought of today's video. We're not going to do a mini like these unless you guys just like it. I just wanted to give you something different. Life has been pretty chaotic for me. As you notice, I've been missing, but I am back. So let me know what you thought. Don't forget to give me a comment down below, and I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.